everyone, welcome to Sujan Fun Kitchen. I'm Sahitya, Sujata Auntie's niece, and today we'll be seeing my all-sauce pasta recipe. Let us now see the ingredients required. First we'll start with the ingredients for the white sauce, for which we will need butter, all-purpose flour, milk and black pepper. You can take any pasta of your choice. Today I've taken farfalle pasta. We also need some finely chopped onions and vegetables as per your choice. Today I've taken capsicum, cauliflower, carrot, peas and corn. We also need tomato puree for making the red sauce, and we need about a spoon of garlic paste and other seasoning ingredients like chili flakes or paprika, oregano leaves, Italian seasoning and salt to taste. For the all sauce pasta, we'll be making the white sauce first, for which we are adding quarter cup of butter, which is 4 tablespoons. We'll wait for the butter to melt. To the butter, we'll be adding 4 tablespoons of maida. We have to roast the maida for some time. Once the maida has blended with the butter, we'll be adding 1.5 cups of milk. Continuously stir this until the milk thickens. You can see that the milk has thickened nicely. Once it reaches this consistency, you can turn off the stove. As the milk cools down, it will thicken some more. The pasta, we'll bring the water to boil. To this, we'll add a bit of salt and a little bit of oil so that the pasta does not stick to each other. I'm adding the farfalle pasta to the water. Let the pasta cook in the water for some time. I'm straining the pasta now. We can add some cold water so that the pasta stops cooking. We'll now be cooking the vegetables, for which I'm adding 4 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt. Once the butter is melted, we can add the onions. We can stir the onions until they become translucent. Once the onions are cooked, we can add the garlic paste. Mix it well until the raw smell goes. To this, we can add the vegetables. We can add the capsicum, carrot, peas and corn. and cauliflower. You can saute the vegetables for about 2 minutes. Once we have sauteed the vegetables for about 2 minutes, we can add the tomato pulp. I have taken ready-made tomato puree. If you don't have that, you can blanch some tomatoes, peel off the skin and grind them. To this we are adding the spices, some Italian seasoning, paprika or red chili flakes, and some oregano. We can give them a mix. And close it and let them cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. The vegetables have cooked for about 5 minutes now. You can give them a mix. At this stage, we can add some tomato sauce. I'm also adding some pasta pizza sauce. This is an optional step. To this we are adding about a spoon of salt, and some crushed pepper. Give them a mix. Once this is blended, we can add the white sauce. After adding the white sauce, I've added some more seasoning to suit my taste. It will enhance the flavors. You can give them a nice mix so that it blends well. After it has blended, we can add the pasta. Before adding the pasta, I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. You can add other types of cheese as per your preference. Give them a mix. To this, you can add the cooked pasta. Nicely mix them together. This all-sauce pasta is now ready to be served. This was my all-sauce pasta recipe. Please try it out, and if you liked it, comment, subscribe, like, and share this to all your friends and family. Thank you.